Hey there. If you're looking to invest smarter, you're in the right place. Don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special offer. All right, let's dive right in. Today, it's a showdown between Public.com and M1 Finance. Two heavyweights in the investing world, but which one is right for you? First up, Public.com. Public is like that cool friend who always knows the latest trends. They've got a slick app, and they make investing super social. You can follow other investors, see what they're buying, and even share your own trades. It's like Instagram, but for stocks. Now, Public doesn't charge commissions. Yep, zero commission trading. But keep in mind they make money through something called payment for order flow. Fancy term, but it just means they get paid to route your trades through certain market makers. Some folks don't love this, but hey, it keeps things free. They also offer fractional shares. So, if you've always wanted to own a piece of Amazon but don't have $3,000 lying around, you can buy a tiny slice. Plus, they don't have account minimums, which is perfect for newbies. But what about M1 Finance? M1 is like the wise old uncle who's been around the block a few times. They're all about customization and automation. With M1, you can create custom portfolios, or pies as they call them. Got a favorite mix of stocks and ETFs? Throw them all into a pie and M1 will automatically rebalance it for you. Set it and forget it. M1 also offers commission-free trading and fractional shares. Plus, they've got something called M1 Borrow, where you can borrow money against your investments at low rates. Perfect if you need some cash without selling your stocks. However, M1 does have a $100 account minimum, which isn't too steep, but it's something to keep in mind. And their trades only execute once a day, which could be a deal breaker if you're into real-time trading. So, which one's for you? If you love the idea of a social investing platform and no account minimums, Public.com might be your new best friend. But if you're all about customization, automation, and don't mind a small account minimum, M1 Finance is a strong contender. Remember, both platforms offer great features and are designed to help you grow your wealth. It all comes down to your personal preference. So, what's your pick? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your special offer today. Thanks for watching and happy investing.